Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the next step of optimizing the article. So there will be two different elements, which is optimizing the social cards and optimizing the snippet. So I'll tell you what I mean. In WordPress, if you click on the social tab, you will be able to define how your snippet will look if someone were to were to share this on social media. So you define the title, the description, and obviously the image. So it gives you better control, and you share it, and you define it for the shares on Facebook and on Twitter. And other element that I have optimized is Google Snippet. So this is quite important. So when I finished the article, my snippet was a bit kind of bland. So what I did, I found that the best way to improve the click-through rate is to write really irresistible snippets. So you should really spend as much time as you do working on a title, so you work on the snippet as well. So make sure that your meta description and meta title will be the article title, obviously, but meta description, make sure to give incentive what people will benefit from if they click it. Make sure to define what they can learn, and make sure to add call to action as well. So my snippet obviously varies from page to page because I have 4 different pages for this article. This is the main page, and I have added give your Shopify website rockstar launch with this complete SEO guide. So it defines that it is a guide for Shopify websites. It starts with call to action, give, and it includes information that this is SEO guide. So the topic and obviously the go-to platform, and that's the value skyrocket to page 1 with 42 smart expert hacks. So it also gives information that there are 42 hacks as well, and bookmark it now, bookmark this guide, as on other pages also gives call to action what to do. So this is how you stand out. This is how Google can definitely give you an edge over competitors, because if you get higher click-through rate, obviously you will be promoted in the search results. So this is the next step of optimizing the article.